Did you come here to leave at the same that you were? No. At the very least, you came here to leave with knowledge and maybe a little bit of elevation of you.
With CEO Warriors, you guys are able to give me direction on hiring, on dealing with things that I wouldn't deal with.
Think you're smart enough to solve all the problems yourself, or you could have someone in a simple phone conversation solve the problem for you that would have taken you 3 or 4 years to get over.
As the business grows better, CEO Warrior is also going to help us grow to the next level.
I came down to this event to be a speaker, to talk a little bit, but I'm here learning. I'm always trying to learn.
You can learn new things and it will add to who you are, or new skills and will add to who you are, but when you meet people, it's a multiplier.
Change doesn't come easily to most people. The biggest part of coaching is to show you other opportunities.
I would say that as a tradesperson, if you haven't got coaching, you don't know your business.
It pays itself over 5-6 times. It's worth taking the time and carving out the time. You can't afford not to.
If you're honestly wanting to make a change for your business and your life, it's worth every penny.
Failure is only a problem if you don't learn from it.